Right, so these are the roses that you'll get from us at Ashridge. So these are Bareroot Roses. Basically just been dug up out of the ground from the fields, the rose fields, the back end of the year. We leave them in a cold store and then we send them out like you. If you want to, trim the roots. Just grab the roots and just take a little bit off just to tidy it up. Mainly just to get it into the pot as well, really, or into the ground. But it's the fibrous roots that you need to keep an eye on, and don't let these dry out. The top part, just have a look for any dead pieces on the top growth, or any snap pieces, or any thin pieces really, and you can kind of take them out. Just prune them out, prune these thin pieces out, and then you'll get little snags like that. Just pull them off, and then once they're planted, then you can give it a good prune. Once the buds start to break here in the ground, prune them down to the buds, and always choose an outward facing bud. And you can thin some of this out as well, some of this middle piece. Oh, a bit there. Just take that out, so it gets a bit of more of an open bush in the middle, and then all your flowers will be on the outside and go straight up.